Hi, this video is regarding MediaTek fields text limitation. So let me go step by step. Actually, this involves three steps. First one is the creation of fields. Then you have to enable the module named publications. That module will perform the activity of moving the content from old field to the newly created field. And then you have to create the field dependency to hide the old fields. These are the three steps involved. So first let me go one by one. First we have to create three new fields. For those which you have to increase the text limit, go to structure, content types, and go for MediaTek publications. In the MediaTek publications, click on manage fields. There you have to add for here you have to add three new fields. First one you have to add objective, and the machine name should be field objective 1, and you have to choose the field type as long text and click on save. So like here, suppose, so here we have to create a field name, and here we have to give the machine name as field objectives 1, and then here we have to choose the field type as long text. Then we have to create, click on save. Here I have already created a field, so here we can't save it. So let me edit this one, and for your demonstration I'm editing it. So there you have to choose. Initially it will be here in plain text. For our requirement we have to choose a filtered text user select text format, then click on save settings and save. That's it. And here you have to manage these for three fields. First one is for objectives and approaches and dictionaries. After creating these three fields, you have to move the fields to the desired location. How means by drag and drop method. See here I have a test field. Suppose here is a test field, you have to move to the desired location. Suppose if it is a dictionaries, you have to move here. It is you have to move here the dictionaries and click on save. For what purposes? So we can have the while entering the data, we will have the field next to the label field. Then click on save. That's it. So I already did for these three fields. So I'm having that one. I'm deleting the test field. Okay. So we have created three fields of the same long text and with text areas. Later that, what you have to do is you have to go for manage dependencies tab. Once you have moved these, you have to save and go for manage dependencies. In the manage dependencies, you have to and you have to add the three newly created fields, and then you have to hide the fields. Like first I have done for approach and dictionaries. Let me do for objectives. Here choose for objectives field objectives, and the dependency must be party this site, that means the field website type, and you have to choose filled with a value. Like the dependent field is filled with a value when the dependent has value, and here here you have to choose this one. That's it. So the dependent field is invisible when the field is visible, then you have to add dependency. That's it. and click on save settings. So what you have to do is you have to choose the field here in the dependent and the dependee, and here you have to choose as invisible, and here you have to choose as is filled and add dependency. That's it. So we have to do for these three fields. So we have completed these things. After that we have to go for modules. In the modules we have to go for the publications module. That is a custom module we have created for migrating the content from those three old fields to new fields. Here it is. You have to enable this one. Here I have already enabled it. Click just in check the checkbox and click on save configuration. It will take some time for saving the configuration. That's all. So now the old field data are moved to the new fields. Thank you. This.